Hello, everybody. This is John from Nevermore Antiques, and we are back from vacation. And when we got back, we had a little surprise waiting for us out on the front porch. Apparently, a hive of bees have decided to move in and take up refuge on my porch. Lucky for them, I love bees, and I understand the importance of bees to our ecosystem. So I have actually placed some sugar water out there for them so they can get a nice big drink. I've actually got a local farmer coming over later tonight so that he can move them to his farm and they can have a brand new life, not on my front porch next to my children and where I leave my eBay packages. So, if you've noticed, I've been bringing you a little bit different content than eBay, most other eBay YouTubers. Kind of what I want to do is I want to show you not only the business that I run, but how it affects my life on a day-to-day basis. The freedoms that it gives me, like I was just able to take off for 5 days, and we went to a wedding, and then on a whim we decided to go to the ocean. So I've been bringing to you some content that is not eBay related, but I want you to know that if you dedicate yourself to this lifestyle, that your life is truly yours. It's amazing, and it's definitely worth doing, and it's definitely worth pursuing. So with all that being said, let's take a look at some honeybees.